Hey fam, welcome back to Atoya at home. How y'all doing today? Today we'll be painting my kitchen and it's going to be the color of sage green, and then we're also doing the floor. Hope you enjoy. If you haven't yet, go ahead and join the family by subscribing down below. Make sure you share with a family member, and also make sure you comment down below who you are and where you're from. Like to talk to y'all.
So nice, we time. You I know how to make me feel right. I can't help got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's to babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's to babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. We've been dancing all night long. Right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now. But I'm done waiting. Done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's to babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way.
Alright, hey you guys, so I did not know that my camera was fuzzy. As y'all see, I just moved it and I just made sure that it was in the area where I needed it to be. So I apologize about that, but let me go ahead and introduce myself while I am here. My name is Atoya and I am Atoya at home. The O's becoming zeros so that way I can pop up earlier on your subscriptions. And that's also giving you permission to go ahead and subscribe down below. Join the family. I am the mother of three. I'm a mother of three and a wife of one. I have 4 fur babies, 2 cats and 2 dogs. I enjoy taking care of my family by making sure that the house is situated and make sure they got what they need, as do my husband. We are a team effort, but this is my channel, so y'all get to see me. And sometimes the kids will pop in and out. As you see, my shadow, my baby, is Ezekia, which is our 11-year-old. So I hope y'all enjoy this. There's a whole bunch of shenanigans in this video. For those of my longtime loyals, y'all know sis girl like to dance. I am a plus size Zumba instructor, so I hope y'all enjoy. Yeah, and go ahead, don't forget to subscribe, join the family. Love you guys.
So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can.
So as always, this is budget friendly. This is paint that we got from Lowe's in the paint area where people don't want the paint, where they take it back because it didn't look right on their walls or something like that. And so this paint was only $9 for the gallon, y'all. $9. What? And my husband's favorite color is any color of green, as my favorite color is any color of blue. And so that's how we mesh. And I am also using the same pull and stick flooring that I used in my, see, look, shenanigans. Morena. Yes. But anywho, the pull and stick flooring that I used in my foyer, in my update entry area, I'm going to go ahead and put that up in the description box and description box down below, and also in the cards above, so you can see that. It's the same color and everything. Like I said last time, they were only $11 a box. I think this time I used about 10 boxes, so the flooring was only $110 to be used. I mean, that's not bad at all. So altogether for my kitchen refresh, I $120. Like, that's not bad, you know, and it looks nice. So we're about to go ahead, and after this we're going to paint the cabinets, and we're gonna put some backsplash on, but that's later on down the road. So I hope y'all enjoying the rest of this. Yes, get it, girl. Morena, take it back. Hey, back salsa. Hey, dance with me now. Hey. Y'all knew. Y'all told y'all doing shenanigans. I love to dance. I may be fluffy. I may be plus size. I may have some extra more rolls than most other people, but this girl can dance. And y'all can't tell me that I can't. And my students will tell y'all, leave me alone. So, yes, we did a little bit of dancing here, a little bit of salsa. And, yeah, I actually may put the name of the song. I don't know if that's copyright, but I may put the name of the song right there of what I'm doing. So, yeah. So continue with this video.
You're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah, nah. Ooh girl, nah, nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah, nah. Ooh girl, nah, nah. Fly me up with dreams, the only thing I need. When I'm down, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you and me creating. We're on the same wavelength. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation, make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money, make you look so lovely. Never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah, nah. Ooh girl, nah, nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah, nah. Ooh girl, nah, nah. You're my island, tray of diamonds. It was fake, help me find you. You're a blessing, reminiscent of the time when I found myself guessing. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation, make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money, make you look so lovely. Never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah, nah. Ooh girl, nah, nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex.
right, so let me let you know what's going on. I have started off camera just to see how it do, and there's some boxes of the flooring right there. You can see the paper on the floor. So all I did was pretty much dry mop and sweep the floor. It was already clean. It just needed to be swept because yeah, we got a house full of kids and animals. So yeah, and I think I had just gotten back from work. I can't remember this day, it was so far back, but yeah, I think I had just gotten back from work. And so yeah, y'all don't mind my feet. Yeah, I'm just don't mind my feet. It's just they look hot mess. Anywho, flat feet people in the building. Woo! But anywho, so I'm just showing how I peel it down and then just push it on down on the floor, and it sticks and it's good. It has not peeled up. No pieces have came up out the entry area, neither in the kitchen. It is so good. I promise y'all, this is so good. I love this stuff and it looks amazing. Amazing, amazing. So my battery is about to die, but I got this part of the flooring done. Me and Douglas. And the green. I don't know if I like it. I'm trying to debate if I like the green. I'm gonna wake up in the morning and see how I feel about it. And we'll see. I don't know. It's going on 12 o'clock midnight and I'm butt tail tired. So what I'm going to do is go take a nap, go to sleep for the night, and then we'll see what happens in the morning. I'll see y'all in the morning. Hey you guys, so we're back on my kitchen floor, and so I went to Dollar Tree because I couldn't find scissors, and I got this rotary cutter thing, and then I got their ecto blade thing, and then I got some basic scissors. We're going to see which one works best so we can get this done quickly and efficiently. I have to pop out these baseboards, not baseboards, but the bottom of the baseboards real quick after I get some of these cut. So we'll see.
Lately when without you, I know that something really special made me think about you, about you, about you, you. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something special made me think about you, about you, 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 about you, you, you.
Jag minns ju den tid du gav mig life-bilder, jo. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunnat ge förut. Det finns ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för det, baby. För de här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. På det jag lägger all min tid, och jag vill ha dig. Du får mig känna safety. Jag kan nog leda, baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Varje gång jag bak på dig, jag tänker åh vilket kap jag har gjort. Jag skulle gå tillbaka i tid, göra om allt igen och Ser det som ett allt, det är dig jag vill wifa. De här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. På det jag lägger all min tid. Jag vill ha det. Du får mig känna safety. Vi kan nog ner det baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än det. Aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Jag vet det bara life om igenom. Jag vet det bara ta sin tid. Jag vet det bara life om igenom. Stay with me please. Jag vet det bara life om igenom. Jag vet det bara ta sin tid. Jag vet det bara life om igenom. Stay with me please. Du lägger till, du är där för mig. Jag svär mitt liv.
Alright you guys, it's Sunday and I'm resting, but we're gonna go ahead and get this floor done right here on this side. Doug finished painting. It's growing on me. I got over here in this corner, I gotta do this corner, I gotta move the appliances out the way. That's why we haven't did this part. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this part done. This morning, hey you guys, but I'm not going to video. I'm going to show y'all the reveal after. So stay tuned to the end of the video. Okay, y'all, thank y'all so much for all your support and watching this video. Okay, see y'all at the end. All right, and we made it to the end and we left the painter's tape up, but that's okay. As you see, it looks nice and clean and smooth and new. The paint looks good. Doug and the girls did well while I was at work. I love it. Like I said, we're going to get our cabinet soon, but it looks amazing, y'all. I can't believe I did it, and it looks freaking amazing. I hope that you have liked this video. If you made it this far, please make sure you put down in the comment box below your name and who you're from and the word candle. That is our password for today. Thank you so much. Go ahead. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. Y'all have a blessed day. Peace out, y'all.
Every time I look at you, you pull me back into your river. Swim a little deeper. I don't need to breathe with my head on the water.